Alright guys, I want to do a video on this. It's kind of a questionnaire video. I'm not going to show the speed on this video because I want to ask, and I don't want you know, what's a speed to be in the left lane? You know, I know there's some people go slow, they consider left lane hogs or whatever the case is. But as you see, we pass this sign, 55 is the speed limit, right? That applies to all lanes. So at the end of the day, technically, not even technically, you can't go over 55 without, you know, breaking the law. But for the purposes of lanes, what lane is the left lane? What speed you should go in the left lane? Now, I'm interested to see the comments because, you know, you'll get different answers, I'm sure. But at the end of the day, if a person's doing 55 in the left lane, 55 is the speed limit, technically they're not supposed to go any faster. So how are they considered to be a left lane hog if, you know, so for example, this guy, you know, is in the left lane. He's preventing me from going to a desired speed. But if he's doing 55 in the left lane, he's not breaking the law. So he can either move out the way like he did, or I was about to go around him to prove a point, but I was going to go around him. But he decided to move out the way. No problem. I'm not pressuring, I'm not tailgating him, I'm not flashing him. But there'll be some circumstances where they won't move out the way. Therefore, I would, like, if he didn't move, I was going to say I was going to move out the way, go to the right lane, pass him. But you get some that would tailgate, you get some that would flash you, press the horn maybe, and then you get some that will pass you. Then they may even go as far as brake checking you because they're upset, yelling at you, giving you the finger, I don't know. But use your imagination. But at the end of the day, the point remains, what speed is it? Now let me throw a little caveat to it, a little twist to it. Let's say you move out the way. Alright, cool. I go to my desired speed. Alright, no problem. I'm at my desired speed. Now there's a car behind me his desired speed is a lot faster than my desired speed. So what do? Do I move out the way for him, or do he pass me? Now what desired speed is the speed to say, no, well, if they want to go faster than that, then they should just go around you at that point? Or your desired speed, that means you should move out the way and then go back to the left lane. Unless somebody else comes, move out the way again, go back to the left lane, and just keep navigating. You know, and when you really think about it, it's like, so what point is it too fast? In other words, you know, if you're doing 100 in the left lane, someone's doing 120, are you supposed to move out their way? like I'm just kind of like bringing a different light to the scenario. Now, if I'm in the left lane because I keep going to the right because the cars want to go faster, but then cars in the middle and right lane are obviously going slower, right? And do I have to keep going back and forth? There's a car behind me that's going 5 miles faster. Let me move to the middle lane, let him pass, go back to the left lane so I can pass these cars that are going slower. You know, like, what? Like, think about what I'm saying, right? And just tell me. Just give me your input. Leave a comment. Tell me if there's an unwritten rule, because obviously it's unwritten, because technically all lanes is supposed to be the speed limit. So, for example, this right here, he just moved in my lane without signaling. But I'm anticipating that. But let's just say, like, the speed limit is the speed limit no matter what. So at the end of the day, everybody's wrong unless they're doing the speed limit. But unofficially, what's the unofficial rule in your head? Everybody's gonna have different opinions. There's no unofficial set rule, but it's all about opinions. So everybody's gonna have their own opinion on what the their unofficial rule is. Anyway, just food for thought. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Take care.